Hi and welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina. Today's vlog is going to be very special because I have captured some moments from my brother's wedding and you will get a chance to witness the grand Indian wedding celebrations which involve 4 to 5 functions and so much fun. It's day one of wedding celebrations, and today is Kirtan at home and Radha Krishna Kirtan at home. It's Thursday, and we have a religious function at home to begin the ceremony. The best part of weddings is you get to celebrate each and every moment with your closed ones. You all are laughing, dancing together. Nothing can be more beautiful than this. This is my house in Fatehbad and it is fully decorated because it's my brother's wedding, and you can see the decor is looking beautiful and it looks even prettier in the night. I think you have seen the clips of lighting in the beginning. It's amazing. But now we are moving to hotel where all the functions will happen for coming 3 days. Finally, we have reached the wedding venue. So basically, the concept is for 3 days, everyone will stay here, the groom's side, the bride's side, and we will all celebrate together in this resort. This is our room.
It's very spacious room, right?
Yeah. We are now headed to our first party of the wedding, which is the pool party. Are you excited? We are going to the pool, and once I reach there, I'll show you the arrangements, I'll show you the pool, and we'll have so much fun. Hi!
Hello.
I missed eating golgappas in the wedding, and every time I'm seeing this video to edit, I'm like, oh, I want one. I got really dressed up for the pool party, but most of the time we were in the water, so it was more fun and less shoot happening. These are all my cousins and they have already started the party. The plan is to jump in the pool any moment now. We're really excited. Here nothing is happening, just some Punjabis doing their Punjabi things and dancing their heart out because we ready wedding. Look what Asher is doing. Even Asher got a flower, a henna tattoo on his hand, and I also got mehndi done. So basically the mehndi thing is for both the days. You can either get it done today or tomorrow, and I chose to do it today itself. We had a fun night yesterday and everyone was super tired, but in the morning we all got up 11ish, and there was a puja which was supposed to be done by sister and brother-in-law. So here we are sitting, and all the close family members are sitting with us to do the puja.
आपने बोला गंगा तेरी अथाई बोले मां के बिहारी लाल की जय। अभी चलो, तो आपने इसका तोलिया रूप पकड़ के रोकना है। बहन बहन में गंगा बहना, बहन बहन में गंगा बहना।
After the puja, we had some fun family time, some pictures, and we all went down where there was a function of mehndi, and bride and groom were waiting for us. And This is the bride and groom, the beautiful couple, Shantanu and Bhumika. They're all looking so pretty. We also prepared one dance which you will see in couple of minutes. It's time to dress up for the engagement party of my brother, and I have come to Blend and Blush, which is a very nice salon in Fatehabad. I will share all the looks which I did for my brother's wedding, so stay tuned in the vlog till the end. I really liked my makeup. I was not sure at that moment about the lenses, but I think it was going very nice with the dress. Please comment and let me know which was your favorite look out of all the 4 looks I did for my brother's wedding. And this is the look of bride and groom on their engagement day. And finally, the incredibly special day has come where the bride and groom exchanged their rings. And the beautiful couple is engaged. Congratulations, you both. We had so much fun on the stage. There was dhol and we were dancing on the beats of live songs. They were literally singing the songs. Time for our performance. There were a lot more dance performances. This is my brother-in-law who is an amazing dancer. There were a lot more performances happening, but I was too busy dancing, so could not capture all of them. It was too hot and we all changed into lighter clothes after some time and came for dinner. It was dinner time. Nothing can beat the laughter you share on the weddings, and do comment if you agree.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, I am welcome to my guys.
फैमिली से मिलवाती हूँ। ये है मेरे देवर जी, ये है मेरी ससुर जी, ये है मेरे चाचा जी, ये मेरी बुआ जी, दूसरी बुआ जी, ये है मेरी प्यारी सी चाची, ये है सासू माँ और ये है मेरा बेटा। And it's time for Haldi. The bride and groom are having the best time of their life. After the haldi ceremony, there was time for Ghadi Gharoli. Ghadi Gharoli is nothing but a decorated pitcher of water which the brother's sister get it from outside, and the groom basically has to take shower from that water. Has just started. blow dry. Bride is also I could not shoot myself at all after getting ready because I had to rush. Since I am groom's sister, I had to do all the rituals. These rituals are done before the groom sits on the horse to get his bride, and that's what is happening here. And look how lovely everyone is looking. My brother, my mother, she's sitting in the beige sari. Look at my parents making sure everything is correct for their son for the D-Day. So beautiful. Okay, now is the time when groom will sit on the horse after I feed the horse completely. And Asher also sat on the horse. Initially he was scared, but gradually he started enjoying. And Veerji Vyon Chalya. Basically now my brother is going to get married. We are going to take the Bharat. Bhule Raja हमारे साथ है. Although it was hot, but we still managed to do the dance. These are my beautiful cousins. This is a very interesting part of Indian weddings where sisters of the bride, they negotiate with the groom that you have to pay us something, then only we will let you get in and let you get married to our sister. It was really fun. We are now on the stage with groom and groom's friend and waiting for our beautiful bhabhi. While waiting for the bride, my brother made sure he eats nicely before the wedding rituals begin. Okay, this is my beautiful bhabhi, and oh my god, her makeup, her jewelry, her dress, everything was looking so beautiful. I just could not take my eyes off her. And here is the grand entry of the couple of the day. Now this is what is so beautiful. Oh. I could not do much vlogging that day because I was busy, but here are some pictures from the wedding day. The biggest part of Indian weddings is the fairas, which happen in the end in the night time, and before that we do a havan, we do prayers to our gods, and that's what is happening here. And finally it's the time for fairas. Fairas are like we take 7 rounds, and which includes 7 vows or 7 promises you do to each other to make this beautiful life after wedding, after marriage. And it's very auspicious ceremony. So that is what is happening here. And the wedding has finally happened. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.